So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys facing this problem in your EA FC24 today, unable to access UT, unable to connect to Ultimate Team at this time, so guys watch this video till end because I am showing in this video why you are facing this problem in your FC24 and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, take a look on both the images. Yes guys, both the images are related to EA Sports. First is EA and second one is EA Sports FIFA. So in these both pictures, the red line is at the up. It means today many people facing this problem in the FIFA and EA today. So this is the reason why you are facing this problem in your FIFA FC24. So what you have to do, so because the red line is at the up, it means today's servers is down right now. So the FC24 team working on fixing the servers of the EA and FC24. So it may take some minute or an hour. So after in some minute or an hour, this problem of unable to connect will be solved in some time. So you have to wait for some minute or an hour. And if you guys having facing any other problem in these FC24, so you have to comment me. I will solve your problem in the comment box. And I hope you understand what I am saying. Do like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.